নমস্কার, আপনাদের সকলকে জানাই শারদীয়ার প্রীতি এবং শুভেচ্ছা। This is your nutritionist, dietitian and friend Jayashree Bose. I have come here once again with some very simple tips and tricks by which you can make your Durga Puja deliciously healthy. By following this, you can enjoy your puja to the fullest without gaining extra weight. So, let's begin. What are we waiting for?
Plan ahead. Planning is key to any success. So first and foremost, clean your kitchen and pantry from all kind of fried food like potato chips, your refrigerator from those French fries or those ready-made patty, chicken nuggets, etc. and stock your refrigerator and pantry with seasonal fruits and vegetables, salad greens, leafy vegetables, etc. so that whenever you're eating at home, you tend to go for healthier food choices. When eating out, try to opt for the non-fried version of that similar food item. For example, aloo dum or aloo chachori in place of aloo bhaja, beguner jhal in place of beguni, fish paturi in place of fish fry, mochar ghonto in place of mochar chop, etc. When you are planning to eat out, try to go for the a la carte version in place of the buffet, because many a times the buffet, the items are not that special after all, and we tend to eat much more when we have so much of food choices. We get spoiled for choice and end up overeating. The day you go for pandal hopping, start your evening with a big bowl of salad or a fruit bowl, and then you do not eat your dinner on that day. Keep the dinner calories for all those delicious street food items which we barely indulge in. Keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. While going out, carry your own thermoregulated flask to have pleasant or cooler water. You can also carry a cool green tea so that you don't end up drinking your calories from those cold drinks or aerated beverages. The best advice would be not to have alcohol or any kind of alcoholic beverages. But those who enjoy that, please try and give yourself a particular budget for alcohol consumption and stick to it. Make all kind of wrong decisions about food when we are under the influence of alcohol. Focus more on spending quality time with your friends and family rather than mindless munching. Focus more on taste and quality of a food item rather than quantity. For example, when you're having ilish mach, don't go for 5 pieces. Have 1 piece but of the best quality. Or when you are having your favorite paturi, don't go for 10 paturis. Rather than have 1 paturi and just enjoy every bit of it. Don't compromise on your sleep. Try to get at least 8 hours of proper sleep each day. Studies and research has proven that when you are sleep deprived, your brain wants to go for all kind of wrong food items and fried food items, and you also tend to overeat. While eating out in a restaurant or your friend's place, don't crowd your plate with all the items. Pick and choose the best of the items, or rather your favorite items, and eat them, enjoy them, and thoroughly relish them. To refrain from having loads of extra calories, Try to restrict your simple carbohydrates like rice, naan, paratha, roti, etc. Have less portion of that and have more portion of proteins like fish, kebabs, dal, etc. Make smart choices while eating. For example, enjoy your kosha mangsho but go for the lean cut of meat. Do not indulge more on the gravies rather than the solid pieces so that you can cut on the excess calories. Most importantly, do not overindulge on sweets. Try to restrict yourself to one sweet every day during the pujas and enjoy that rather than having all kind of sweets available at one go.